Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and earn more diamonds on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile guys, or register to Likee if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile. We have your messages. We have the big plus button here, which you can go and tap on to get, of course, you to put your content on there. We have the explore and the for you page at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and earn more diamonds on Likee. Well, so first of all, you should top up Likee Live Diamond. Select the diamond denomination. So you need to go and select that on the application. After that, you need to enter your Likee ID. So you have to know your Likee ID, of course, and then enter it so that you can go and continue with this process, of course. So now that you've done that, you need to check out and select your payment method. So if you haven't already put the payment method, you need to put one in. Of course, if you already have one, you can just check it out just in case. And then once the payment is made, the Likee diamond you purchase will be credited to your Likee account shortly. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.